Thanks for coming back. The second asana in our Sivananda 12 is our shoulder stand, or our Sarvangasana. So as we've been working down the spinal column, we obviously started with our first posture, which was ŞİRШԱSANA. Second posture is shoulder stand. So we're starting to work down through into the neck, and we're going to start laying down on our backs. Just giving yourself some space behind you. Maybe just draw the buttocks down towards the end of the mat. Draw the knees in towards the chest and slowly roll out and massage through the spine. As this practice does work throughout the whole of the spine, the spinal column will become very, very flexible and a lot more mobile after all of the 12 postures. So drawing the head just lightly in towards the chest, lengthening through the back of the neck, release any hair bubbles that may be stopping you from getting a nice straight spine, and feel really connected and grounded in towards the mat. Take the legs up towards the sky, and your first option for your shoulder stand is a supported shoulder stand where you can take the block underneath the base of your spine on any of these levels within the block. So you would like to feel quite supported, and then you would lift the legs up towards the sky. So you can stay here. This is a great posture to be. You can flex the feet if you wish to engage into the legs, but try and get the ankles in line with the hips. Again, be aware of that throat really just drawing up towards the sky. So feel spread out through the shoulder blades. Take nice deep breaths. Second variation of Sarvangasana is that you would lift the legs up towards the sky, place the hands underneath the spine, fingertips facing up towards the buttocks, and draw those elbows in towards the midline as you roll onto the backs of the shoulders. Go easy into the neck here, and don't turn your neck to look at the screen. If you can, just try and listen to the alignment cues that I'm giving you. And again, the legs don't have to be too high. They can be bent. Draw the abdomen in, protect that lower back. Engage. The focus is up towards the knees. And you could stay here, or you can extend the legs. If you are able and you wish to come into the third variation, which is a Sarvangasana full posture, then you'd lift the feet in line with the hips, trying to get the hips above the shoulders. Again, being aware of the neck, don't turn towards the screen, don't turn left and right, focus up towards the toes. Nice deep breaths. When you're ready to come down, just bend the knees and slowly roll down through the spine. Just release the feet and just bring the knees in towards one another.